Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Menu and going straight to Settings. This gets you to System Controls without extra taps. Once in Settings, choose Display or Phone Settings. That's where text rendering lives. You need to locate font size or text size. Models label it slightly differently. Make the change from the first available options to test readability. Doing this now changes system text, which is faster than adjusting each app. It affects menus, lists, and core UI for immediate feedback. You will see small, medium, large choices or a slider on some models. Pick one to preview. Use the built-in preview so you can judge legibility in menus and messages before committing. Once you pick the best size, press Save or Apply so the phone writes the preference to memory. Make sure to allow it a second to redraw UI elements. If only partial text changes, adjust again or try the adjacent size to balance screen real estate and readability. After applying, check messages, contact lists, and home screens to confirm consistency. Some apps inherit system fonts while others use separate settings. If the change doesn't stick, restart the phone. A reboot forces the system to reload display settings. If problems persist, return to display settings and select Reset or Default to clear conflicts, then reapply your preferred size. As a troubleshooting tip, make one change at a time so you can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.